Halo semuanya. Annyeonghaseyo. Ni hao. Hola. Hi everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are foreigners who want to learn Bahasa Indonesia from very basic, congratulations. You come to the right channel. In this video, I am going to explain about numbers in Bahasa Indonesia. Let's get started. Alright, here are numbers in Bahasa Indonesia. I'm gonna read number 1 to 10 first. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Okay, now please repeat after me. Number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Once more, read together with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now, can you do it by yourself? Number 1. 1. Number 2. 2. 3. 3. 4. 4. 5. 5. 6. 6. 7. 7. 8. 8. 9. 9. 10. 10. Good job, everyone! Next, we will learn number 11 to 20. Pay attention to the pattern so that you will be able to count on easily. 11. 11. 11. Se means one, but we don't say 11. We say 11. 11. 12. 12. 12. 13. 13. 13. 14. 14. 14. Now, do you still remember what is number 5 in Bahasa Indonesia? Can you guess what is 15 in Bahasa Indonesia? Ya, 15. Good job. 16. 16. Very good. 17. 17. 18. 18. 19. 19. And 20, it's different. 20 is 20. 20. Next, we will learn number 21 until 100. Again, please pay attention to the pattern. 21. 21. 22. 22. 33. 33. 44. 44. 'Can you guess what is 55? Lima. 66. 66. 77. 77. 88. 88. 99. 99. 100 is 100. 100. Good job, everyone! Well, that's all for now. If you find it helpful for you, please like, comment, and subscribe. And click the notification button so that you can get the notification whenever I have new video. See you on the next video. Selamat belajar!